Hi, and welcome back to Creations by Josie. Today I wanted to show you the infant bips that will be available on my website. They have a Velcro tab. The reverse side is in a cherry with a contrasting color fabric. They'll be available for little boys or little girls. And soon, coming very soon, are the burping cloths, and they will be flannel on one side and cotton on the other. And there's a large array of fabrics and flannel for girls and obviously for the boys. So stay tuned for the burping cloths, and thanks for visiting my website, creationsbyjosie.com.